In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not joining games. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like. And now let's go and get right into this guide. So here we are on Roblox. So if you're not being able to go and join games, the first thing I recommend doing is going and closing off your browser, or if you're using the Roblox app, go and completely close it and then go and restart it. So in this case, I'll open up my browser again and go back to Roblox. And then what you need to do is try joining the game again, so choose the game and then tap on play and go and see if that works. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing you could try is using a different browser. Because I'm using Google Chrome on my computer, I could go and try using Microsoft Edge, for example. So I could then go and double click on Microsoft Edge and try it. Now, if you don't have any other browsers on your computer, then honestly, don't worry too much because there's other methods in this video, but it probably is worth trying because it may be an issue with your browser. Now, the next thing you need to try is just going and restarting your computer. Restarting your computer just reloads everything and it's definitely worth trying. So to do that, all you need to do is come to the bottom left and go and tap on the Windows icon and then go and tap on the power button, and then you can go and tap on restart and your computer is going to go to restart, so it's definitely worth trying that. After you've restarted your computer, then go and open up a browser and go back to Roblox and see if it works. So here we are back on Roblox. I could then go and see if it's working. And if that still isn't working for you, then what I recommend doing is going and uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. So to do that, all we need to do is go and open up your computer settings. So go and tap on the Windows icon in the bottom left, or if you're using a different type of computer or phone, just follow through and delete it. It's quite easy. Then go and tap on settings like so. And once you're in your settings, go and tap on apps, and then go and tap on installed apps at the top. And then what we can do is go and search for Roblox, just like this. So I'd then go and uninstall Roblox and Roblox Player. So I'll tap on the three dots here and tap uninstall. Then I'll tap uninstall again, and as you can see, it's now uninstalling. And once it's finished, it will then say Roblox has been uninstalled. And I also recommend uninstalling these other apps as well. So literally just repeat the process by pressing uninstall by pressing on those three dots, and then just wait. And then once you've gone and uninstalled them all, then what we need to do is head back to Roblox. So here we are back on Roblox, and then to reinstall it, all we need to do is go and join a game. So I'll go and tap on this game here and tap play. It will then say Roblox is now loading, and it will take a moment and it will realize that we've gone and uninstalled it. And then we can go and tap on download and install Roblox, and the launcher will then go and download. And then we can go and find the installer in our downloads folder in our file explorer. Here we are in my downloads, and here is the launcher. So I'll go and double tap on it like so. And as you can see, it's now installing Roblox once again. And if you're using a phone, it's really easy. Just go back to the App Store and go and re-download it. Once it's finished, it will say Roblox is successfully installed. I'll tap OK, and then I'll tap join, and Roblox is now launching. So I hope one of these methods did solve the problem for you. If it did, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.